spot on your nose. You're so cute. Hi, cute stuff. Hi, cute stuff. Oh, look at that little paw twitch. You're so cute. You're so cute. You see my string? And my coat? And my coat? You're so cute. Look at that little face. This is Kiwi's absolute favorite thing in the whole world is to have this heater on. And it's getting to be summerish, springish weather outside, so it's gonna be hard to wean her off of it and be like, hey, you can't have the heater because it's like 70 degrees. But today is supposed to be 70 degrees, so I'm just gonna let her enjoy this as much as possible before we have a really hot afternoon. Okay, Mom's laughing over here. What?
She had his head in Alex's shirt. He was clear down by his waist.
Where are you going, Marge? Tell me, what are we getting? Is that an air conditioner? So we can stay nice and cold during the summer times?
Alright, come and hold the...
You guys, we officially have an air conditioner. I am so happy. And I figured out how to make it work so that it still looks nice, but we also have an air conditioner. So thank you.
Yeah.